So let us see. The first poem is My Mother at 66. So this is a poem written by Kamla Das, and this poem My Mother at 66 is one of the finest examples of the human bonding, especially that of a mother and a daughter, and it describes the pain and fear of the poet of losing her mother due to harsh reality of life, which is death. Alright. Second poem is The Elementary School Classroom in a Slum, and the poet is Stephen Spender. So the poet here wants the children to become successful in their lives by making their dreams come true. He wanted those bright eyes to become capable enough to dream. This poem teaches us the value and importance of education in everyone's life. Now, poem third. This is Keeping Quiet. The poem Keeping Quiet is written by Pablo Neruda. It is a peace poem written by the Chilean poet Pablo Neruda, and the poet asks humanity to count numbers from 1 to 12, 12 being the number of hours shown in a clock or the number of zodiac signs. He requests everyone not to speak because languages create barriers between people. Poem 4th is A Thing of Beauty, written by John Keats. This is a poem taken from the poem entitled Endymion. Endymion, a poetic romance written by famous poet John Keats. And here the poet says that a beautiful thing is a source of endless joy, and it has eternal beauty which never fades away. Poem 5th is the poem A Roadside Stand, written by Robert Frost. Here, this poem is composed by Robert Frost, as it is all about a farmer who puts a little new shed in front of his house on the edge of a road, and several thousands of cars speed past it. He desires to sell wild berries, squash and other products, but he doesn't like charity. And the poem 6 is Aunt Jennifer's Tiger, written by Adrienne Rich. In this, the poet expresses the inner feelings of a woman, Aunt Jennifer. The aunt is embroidering a motif comprising of energetic, fearless tigers moving freely around the bright greenery. She is living a life of submissiveness to her husband's command. So, this was a glimpse of your poem. I hope you got an overall idea about your poems. So stay connected for the further informations regarding the information on your basic information on your poets and writers of your stories and poems of your Flamingo, and the further modules will come on the Vista. So stay connected and enjoy learning. Take care.